Hi, my name is Kevin Zhu,
My name is Hugo Savoya.
and we're the co-founders of EventPal, and we're here to tell you how we're going to revolutionize event aggregation and how you can join us. So imagine this. You're walking down your college plaza, and someone hands you a flyer, and then someone else hands you one, and another one. When you go home, you check your email, and you have 5 emails from different clubs telling you about information. So now you have 10 event informations that you don't even know how to organize. In addition, people invite you on Facebook to events. How are you supposed to navigate all this information and figure out which events to go to? This is the problem that many college students face. We believe that attending events is an integral part of the college experience, and this mess of information can seriously detract from that. Students are attacked constantly with information, and as a result, they often forget about the events, resulting in poor turnout and increased anxiety relating to finding events. So Hugo here is going to tell you about how we're going to fix this.
So our solution is based on a digital approach of the problem, because this is how the new college generation work, and this is how future generation will work. So our idea is to create a centralized mobile platform that will aggregate the event information and provide a list of events that will be created to all the students that register through the app. A secondary solution of a problem would be more focused on clubs, because it will allow them to gauge the level of their interest for their events, because they will be able to promote their events among a selected set of potential attendees that are already matching with what they offer to students through their events.
Right. So that's where we come in. Our product, EventPal, creates dynamic lists of events based on user preferences using advanced machine learning algorithms, which identifies and should suggest events to users based on a multitude of factors, such as events that their friends have attended, past events that they have attended, and user preferences that they're set in the beginning, such as major, location, age, gender, and many other factors.
Yeah, so for our growth, we are focusing on our marketing strategy. So our marketing strategy is based on campus student ambassadors, because the way we want to do it is to reach students, through their peers. So our team will hire students on strategic and pilot colleges, campus, to promote our events and make deals with the clubs, sponsoring their events, and making them register through EventPal and promoting their event through EventPal. So we will need to take this strategy to reach the target market, so mainly Canada and USA. And finally, our growth is aiming to scale beyond the target market and to expand worldwide in France, Lebanon, or China, for example. So continuing on market sizing, the total addressable market is about $2.3 billion, and the target market is about $124.8 million. So there is a huge market here, and it's a very big opportunity to fix with EventPal. So I think that we are on the right market for this type of proposition. So to make our competitive analysis, we relied on SWOT analysis. So we show that we have 3 strengths, and we only have maybe 1 or 2 internal weaknesses that are really easy to go over. Talking about external factors, I think that we have great opportunities with the development of the American style campus around the world. The threats can come from Facebook competition, which is today doing the job that we want to do with EventPal, but their event information on Facebook is so flooded with other information that are not interesting people that are focused on events. So this is why we are developing this new app to fix the problem with event information on Facebook or on other social media.
Exactly. So before we ask for your money, let's introduce ourselves more in depth. So my name is Kevin Zhu. I'm a co-founder of this company, and I'm from Canada. My background is in mostly economics and computer science.
Yeah, so my name is Hugo Savoya. I'm the other co-founder of EventPal. I come from France, and I am studying in UC Berkeley and also Sciences Po Paris. So I'm majoring in economics and have a background in social science in both countries, France and the USA.
Definitely. So before we tell you how much money we're asking, I'm going to tell you first, explain to you how we'll spend that money. So we've identified two sources of cost for us. First, fixed cost, and second, variable marketing costs. Fixed costs include costs involved in software development and management in addition to maintenance, and also at marketplace fees, since we're mainly distributing our app through the Google App Store or the Apple App Store. So this comes to $127,300 in total for the next 2 years. Secondly, our variable marketing cost comes from mostly our marketing campaigns involving campus ambassadors, and also our giveaways and sponsorships, in addition to any social media marketing we employ. This comes to $180,000 for the next 2 years in total. So finally, our proposition is you give us $307,300 in return for 20% of our company to cover operations for the next 2 years. So our timeline for spending this money and also continuing on in our future is by the end of 2018, we'll finalize our product and our funding, in addition to start marketing for our product to build up the excitement for our great release in the beginning of 2019. So as 2019 comes by, we'll launch EventPal formally on the App Store and the Google Play Store, in addition to revving up our marketing efforts in pilot campuses. At the end of that year, so at the end of 2019, beginning of 2020, we will evaluate our progress thus far and seek to expand into new and more colleges in North America, such as in Canada and in the United States. In 2021, we'll seek to expand internationally to other continents, such as Europe and the Middle East and Asia, or wherever our product may be needed. We'll evaluate this then. Through our presentation, we gave a lot of data. If you need any of our data and how we made our calculations, please contact us. We'll be happy to send that to us. And with that, we'll take any questions. Yeah. And also, we look forward to working with you. Yeah. Thank you.